English story for beginners. There lived a gentle elephant in a small village. Every day he walked to the river to take a bath. On his way, he always passed by a tailor's shop. The tailor was a kind man, and he would often give the elephant some fruits or food. Slowly, a friendship grew between them. The elephant trusted the tailor and looked forward to meeting him every day. The elephant would happily stretch his trunk into the shop, and the tailor would smile and feed him. People in the village loved to watch this sweet bond between the man and the animal. One day, however, things were different. The tailor had a bad morning. He had argued with a customer and was feeling angry and upset. Just then, the elephant arrived as usual and put his trunk into the shop, expecting a treat. But instead of showing kindness, the tailor lost his temper. In anger, he picked up a needle and pricked the elephant's trunk hard. The elephant was hurt and shocked. His eyes filled with pain, but he did not react immediately. Quietly, he pulled back his trunk and walked away without making any noise. The elephant went to the river as usual. He took his bath, but he kept thinking about what had happened. He felt sad that his friend had treated him so badly. After bathing, the elephant filled his trunk with muddy water. On his way back, he stopped in front of the tailor's shop again. The clean clothes that the tailor had carefully stitched and kept for customers were now covered in dirt and mud. Everything was spoiled. The tailor stood there in shock, realizing his mistake. His anger had caused him a big loss. From that day on, the tailor understood the value of kindness and patience. He regretted his behavior deeply. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.